In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no audio in Sharex recordings. If your screen captures look fine but play back in complete silence, the fix is usually just a couple of clicks away. We're going to focus on the one setting that determines whether Sharex records your mic, your system sounds, or nothing at all. Start by opening Sharex and heading to the top menu. Go to Capture, then Screen Recorder, and choose Screen Recording Options. This is where Sharex keeps all the recording preferences, and it's the exact place that controls whether audio gets included. In the Screen Recording Options window, look for the setting called Audio Source. This drop-down tells Sharex what to capture for sound. If you see it set to None, that's the reason your videos are silent. None literally tells Sharex not to record any audio. Change that first, because Sharex remembers the last used setting and it won't switch on its own. Now pick the correct source for what you're trying to capture. If you want your voice, choose your microphone. This might show up as the name of your headset mic or a USB microphone. Selecting your mic means Sharex will record you speaking, but it won't include game or browser audio unless that sound is also coming through the mic. If you need system audio, pick stereo mix or a loopback device. This captures what your computer is playing: game sound, music, and videos from your desktop. Depending on your hardware, it may be labeled stereo mix, what you hear, or something that includes the word loopback. The idea is the same. It records the audio your system is outputting. You may also see an option called Virtual Audio Capturer. This is designed to capture desktop audio as well. It's useful when you want what you hear through your speakers or headphones in the recording. If you don't need your voice, Virtual Audio Capturer or a loopback option is often the simplest choice for clean system sound. Here's the key point. If the source is wrong, Sharex will record no audio, or it will capture the wrong thing. Mic selected. But you only hear the game? You picked the system source. System source selected but your commentary is missing? You picked everything but the mic. Match the source to what you want to hear in the final video. Once you've chosen the right audio source, you're set. Sharex will remember your selection for future recordings, so your next capture should have the sound you expect.